And then I forced myself to watch a documentary called Earthlings, and it's inside footage of factory farms and dairy farms, and you just see that and you go, I can't participate in that. I can't be a part of something that is suffering, and you can't possibly put together in your head one healthy, happy animal. They're all in pain. They're all treated badly. They're all diseased. And they're all pumped with antibiotics. And there's just so many. And environmentally, I mean, I do it because I love animals. And I saw the reality. And I just couldn't ignore it anymore.
Ironically, I'm here at my parents' house enjoying the holidays, and you know, I can remember my mom watching the Ellen show way back, and I know she's like, you know, a celebrity advocate, and we're talking about animal rights and veganism for years, you know, and all of a sudden, boom, she's off the vegan, yeah, I can barely say it, she's off the vegan bandwagon, she's done. We need celebrities more than ever to be really informative about veganism, about the abuse, about what's happening on our planet, and it's just crazy. Let's check this out. I'm just gonna Google Ellen DeGeneres vegan. Look what comes up. Plant-based news. This is just 2 days ago. Ellen DeGeneres confirms I am not vegan anymore. Vegan news. Ellen DeGeneres admits she's not vegan anymore. Starts eating fish and eggs. Let's just go to plant-based news. It's pretty trustworthy content. Comedian Ellen DeGeneres has confirmed she is no longer eating vegan. This is crazy, guys. You know, another thing, like, this is Operation Save the Vegans. You know, I want to save everybody from making this mistake. Let's dig into this and figure out why, you know, she even did this. You know, it's, again, this is not for health reasons. Right? I want to really make that you know, statement right now, because a lot of people in the comment section as I'm making these videos saying like, oh, they're eating meat because they don't feel good and blah, blah, blah. Like, no, it's not true. Nobody's turning to meat or dairy products because they don't feel good. This is not for health, okay? It's just crazy. The chat show confirmed, let's see, where's that here? She mentioned she was extremely explicit about no longer being vegan, speaking about how difficult it can be to order animal-free meals in restaurants, but then she said, I'm not really vegan, I say it more like a joke. What? I was vegan for 8 years and I really believe that it's great for you. I was healthier than I've ever been. I love being vegan, but in the last year or two, for no real reason, I started eating a piece of fish once in a while, or I'll eat eggs from chickens I know if they are in someone's backyard or they are happy. Again, with the justifications and with the, look, she says, chickens I know, and if they're happy. Do you willingly think that chickens are giving up their children and they're happy? Trust me, this is from a farmer. I have been on many farms. I've raised chickens myself. I've hatched little chicklings into baby chickens, into full-grown chickens, and watched them grow up. That is the cycle of life, and man has taken upon himself to intervene that cycle and go, you know what? This egg is now for me because I need protein. You know, sorry, not to laugh. It's just, it's crazy to me. And something like this violates all forms of human intelligence, in my opinion. So, this is crazy. Let's just get to the bottom of this. You know, look at some of these quotes directly from Ellen DeGeneres. 50 billion animals are killed a year, and I think we are all fool ourselves that there are some kind of happy cow, you know, and that there's a quick death, and they just hit them in the head and then they are out. She once famously said, unquote. So, you know, from Ellen DeGeneres' own mouth, she is literally doing this, and that's where it gets crazy to me, because I really just don't understand how celebrities or really anybody can make that decision, like they out of their own mouth saying that, you know, you can't justify eating a sentient being and eating them, and yet years later, months later, whatever, they go and start eating animals. So I don't get it. I don't get it. So Operation Save the Vegan, you know, obviously I'm not going to get like any iridology photos from Ellen or anything. It's just one of those things where I have no idea why she's doing this, right? It has nothing to do with health, has nothing to do with her lifestyle or anything. To be honest, if you want my honest opinion, I think these people just sincerely get bored and they have no other means of doing this, and it's proof that they were not really in it for true purposes in the first place. So I want to make these videos and continue talking about this. Operation Save the Vegan 2019. This is huge, guys, because we're going to see more of these people jumping off the bandwagon, I guarantee it, because these are the trendy people that thought it was cool or, you know, doing it for artificial reasons, and it's not the real people that are in it for health, that are in it for longevity, that are in it for sustainability for our planet, for our ecosystem and our community. And it goes way beyond all that. I'm not gonna, you know, get defensive here. There's nothing to defend. This is common sense. I really think it's sad that you probably are not going to talk about, you know, the amazing benefits of being vegan and saving the planet in such an awesome way on your show. That's really sad because you're doing such a good job. And now, you know, we can see, you know, follow the money train. Maybe there's other people involved. Maybe there's other things going on in their life. I have no idea. I'm not really going to get that far into it. I just want to say, please, people, let's, you know, talk about detoxification. You know, go to herbs, think about other things in the natural, you know, sustainable world before you go into more toxicity, because these are things that you can do and you can change right now. Meditation, yoga, lifestyle, there are lots of things you can take action on, and you don't have to do that slingshot effect, okay? So thank you guys for watching the video. Save the vegans. Let's do this.